Hello friends, welcome back to the new video of the Node.js. Today we are going to learn Puppeteer performance timeline using Node.js. So here we are going to fetch the timeline performance of the page load with the help of the Node.js. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here we go with this one, performance, timeline. So here first we require the Puppeteer. You need to install this package, npm package. Then first that you have to launch, then browser, new page. Here start tracing. So here we are going to start the tracing with the page.trace. Start with here we are going to pass the trace.json, any of the file that you want to create. After this we have to navigate to the google.com or any of the page that you want to search. So here I'm going to add my google.com page. Okay, so we can just search it out like google.com. Okay, so here wait for the page to stabilize. So page.evaluate. So here we have to first evaluate the page and everything, then create a trace.json file. Okay, then stop tracing and close the browser, then log the performance timeline captured in the trace.json file. Okay, this is that pretty much so small code. Okay, save it. Let's go and check this one, node timeline.js, and here it will give you the trace.json file. Okay, here you can see captured. Let's go and check this one. Go to your Chrome browser. Okay, so here we have the performance. Okay, so here need to upload the timeline. So recent, no, I think we have to go to the HTML and node trace. So let's see how much they have done the tracing. So here you can see the trace of the page load, and here loading time is 6 milliseconds, and one scripting, rendering, painting 1 milliseconds, system idle and everything. You can see the page results coming over here. Okay, so this is how you are able to do the timeline process into your any of your page load. Okay, like this. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.